Yes, so as you know, Japan is the closest neighboring country to Korea. I mean, it only takes about an hour to and from the capital cities. And throughout many years, Korea and Japan held several cultural exchange events to learn about each other despite the historical bitterness they share. But besides all the cultural exchanges activities that are organized by government officials or organizations, I want to point out there are many unofficial, if you will, cultural diplomats in the two countries. So this week I met up with several artists from Korea and Japan who created their own cultural exchange events and strengthened their friendships by sharing their artistic talents.
The world is no longer geographically constrained and people are affected by different cultures in one way or the other. To experience new cultures, people easily fly to other countries. Korea is no exception as foreign visitors are easily spotted on the streets, especially those from Japan. One of the effective ways to better understand each other's countries through cultural exchanges. And these cultural exchanges activities can be witnessed here and there in Korea, as many people from Japan and Korea as well serve as their cultural diplomats to better understand the neighboring country. Cultural events prepared by Korea and Japan are held throughout the year. Surprisingly, many of those events are not prepared by government officials, but by people who happen to have friends in Japan or in Korea. The Korea-Japan Magic Lace exhibition is one of them and was organized by two professors from Korea and Japan.
제가 이 매직 레이스 전시회를 열게 된 동기는 이 매직 레이스를 처음으로 창안하신 일본의 그 나미마 유키 교수님을 모셔다가 이렇게 특강을 한 적이 있습니다. 이것을 우리 그 전통 복식에 적용시키면 너무 좋지 않을까, 또 자기만의 입을 수 있는 옷을 만들면 좋지 않을까라는 생각으로 한일 복식 초대 개인 이렇게 초대전을 열게 되었습니다.
The exhibition hall is filled with colorful and elaborate artwork created by 28 Korean and 9 Japanese designers. From traditional Korean hanbok to modern dresses, each piece holds the uniqueness of designers, showing their cultural aspects through their work. The magic lace technique lets designers create different patterns with thread fixed on fabric that dissolves in water. So when the fabric disappears, only the thread patterns remain, creating new and intriguing patterns on the clothes.
이번에 처음으로 매직 레이스 기법을 사용해서 옷을 만들어 봤어요. 근데 이렇게 가느다란 실 자체로 시작을 해서 원단의 과정을 빼고 바로 옷을 만들 수 있다는 게 가장 너무 신기한 점이었고요. 일본이랑 한국이랑 이렇게 같이 협력을 해서 했다는 것 자체가 정말 어떻게 보면 대단하고 또 새로운 거를 발딛는 그런 과정이 아닐까라고 생각을 합니다.
Learning a new technique and the different styles of each country are not the only assets the students and professors gain through the exhibition. While both teams work together, they created special friendship with each other.
それと、学生たちの作品が、私たち教職よりもよりアイデアが優れたもので、今後、日本と韓国とこれをつなげて友好を保っていきたいと思います。
Just about 2 hours away from Seoul, a heartwarming painting exhibition took place in Nonsan, organized by artists from Korea and Japan. The exhibition marks its 14th anniversary since it was first initiated by Korean painter Kim Kyung-nan with her artist friends she met while she lived in Japan.
일본 작가들까지 여기 같이 합류했다는 게 우리의 한민족이 한국에 있는 사람만 한민족이 아니고 하나의 우리 민족이 되는 게 아니냐, 이런 생각 때문에 더 의미 있는 오늘 전시회가 됐다고 생각을 합니다.
나도 한 점 구입할 거고, 또 앞으로도 한일이 이렇게 좋은 일로 해서 만나가지고 과거를 잊고 우리가 좋은 쪽으로 자꾸 이렇게 발전했으면 좋겠어요.
Although many of the paintings are done by well-known artists from both countries, the works of art were sold for less than 1/3 of the amount each deserves. The painters didn't seem to mind though, as the money will all be donated to people in need.
참사랑 나눔전에 출품한 작품 판매 대금을 일본 작가들과 협의해서 불우이웃과 장애시설에 기증하고 남은 작품은 문화예술에 접할 수 없는 소외된 사람들이 볼 수 있도록 시설에 걸어줄 예정입니다.
A rhythmic beat flows from a small stage as dancers twist and turn their bodies, expressing and communicating through their movement. The annual Korea-Japan Dance Festival has been successful for over 2 decades, marking its 23rd anniversary.
문화적인 사람들하고 직접 다이렉트로 뭐 같이 교류도 하고 또 예를 들어서 한국 사람하고 또 일본 사람을 같이 협연도 하는 경우도 있었고요. 같이 뭐 술도 마시면서 서로 이제 개인적인 자기 철학이라든가 이런 걸 서로 나눌 수 있는 그런 계기가 돼서 좀 뭐라 그래 좀 신선하게 사람들이 생각을 하고 있었던 것 같아요.
The festival is a great opportunity for dancers from Japan and Korea to learn about each other's art. For many of the Japanese dancers at the festival this year, this is their first time dancing in front of a Korean audience.
自分の作品だけじゃなくて、例えば日本人が作った作品を韓国人に振り付けするとか、また逆があったりとか、一緒に作ったりとか、そういう一緒に作るっていうことは今までもあったと思うんですけど、お互い振り付けを交換する、作品を交換するっていうのもお互いのためにとってはいい楽しそうだなという。
The contemporary dance can be considered somewhat difficult to understand, but since the two countries share different languages anyways, these artists believe the body movement is a better communication method.
국적이 일본이든 한국이든 우리가 말을 하진 않지만 몸짓으로서 다 통할 수가 있고 다음에 또 이런 기회가 된다면 더 많은 일본 무용수들과 또 저희 한국 팀 무용수들이 합쳐서 공동 작업을 해도 너무 좋을 것 같다는 그런 생각을 가졌어요.
Well, I think it's really nice to see how artists from both Japan and Korea go beyond borders to help those in need.
In the clip, I saw some interesting paintings. Did you buy a piece?
I mean, some of them, there were pictures that I liked, but unfortunately it was already sold out. So now.
Maybe next time, Maddie. Now, in a sense, these Koreans and Japanese who are taking part in the festivities or festivals, in a sense, they're, in a true sense, they're cultural diplomats by befriending each other.
Right. So probably making friends from different countries should be the first things accomplished for those cultural exchange activities to be in full effect. True cultural exchange cannot be promoted without a genuine mutual respect from one side to the other. And as two neighbors become more and more economically and culturally intertwined, maybe it is without a choice for the two to put more effort to understand each other, which I think people are doing just great.
Right. Thank you for coming in today for that report, Nettie.
Thank you.
Thank you.